Hello friends, welcome to my channel NEHA Activities. Today I'll show you how to make puffed rice snacks. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. So now let's get started. First of all, heat some oil in a pan. Now I will add the peanuts and I will roast it till it becomes slightly golden brown. Now I will add a pinch of hing, add some curry leaves, add 1/4 tablespoon of haldi powder. Now I am adding 1 cup of puffed rice into it and mix it very well. Now add 1/4 tablespoon of black salt, near about 1/4 tablespoon of salt. You can add according to your taste. Add 1/4 tablespoon of chaat masala and now mix all the ingredients nicely. So here we go. The puffed rice snacks is ready now. I hope you like this video. So please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and also hit the bell icon button to get the notifications of my latest videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.